Channel, and guess what we are doing today? We are building our PC. Now note that I have never actually built my own PC, and this is actually my first video on YouTube. So let's just see how it goes. So this PC is actually going to be targeted mainly for gaming, but I will also be doing a little bit of productivity. I definitely need the performance of the system, which my old previous laptop could not deliver. So I had to get the system out of sheer desperation. But moving on. Moreover, actually, I'm just hoping that actually the system boots up. I'm actually more scared about that. I'm just hoping that the system works. I will be way much more relieved after that. I have provided all of these parts, the names and basically all the information required in the links down in the description, so go check them out. And also note that the prices could possibly change depending upon when you see this video. Before going any further, I will be going over all the parts, providing the pricing and everything. But also note that this PC build does not include a graphics card. Okay, as I'm kind of waiting to get a good deal. So yeah, I'm going to wait for some time till actually get a good deal. But if you all actually building a system, then you all can either go ahead, buy whatever you want. So the total price of the build came to actually about 74,749 rupees. Okay, came to 74,749 rupees. And yeah, okay, the prices on Amazon are a little bit high, but they offer definitely good service and guarantee and stuff, so that's something good. And plus they have cash on delivery and stuff. So yeah, I was actually supposed to buy from MD Computers, but if you want to go ahead with MD Computers, go with MD Computers. They have great prices. There are other options also here, Prime AVGP and Vedant Computers, and there are a lot of them. If you want, I can provide links in the description as well. Also note that I had to cut down on a lot of areas in order to accommodate all the parts in that particular price point. So there's no RGB lighting, there's no SSD and stuff. There's no fans. I have not bought any fans much. Whatever has come with the case, I will be putting on with that only for now. I will definitely make some more improvements over some time, maybe another 2 or 3 months. I will definitely be adding an SSD or an M.2. I will definitely add some more fans. I will definitely RGB. Okay, we need RGB definitely. Okay, so I will be doing all those things. But right now I'm pretty much scraped my wallet, and my wallet is crying in the corner somewhere. So I'm really out of the budget. As far as the parts are concerned, I will quickly go over them. So for the processor, I went with the i5-8600K. Yes, the K1. I got it for 24,944 rupees. For the thermal paste, I went with the Arctic Silver 5 thermal compound for 909 rupees. For the case, I went with the Thermaltake Core G21. I actually wanted to go with the Thermaltake Core V31, I think it was. But I think the price is a lot more higher on Amazon, around 7,500, way beyond my budget. So I had to go with the Core G21 only. Then for the cooler, for the CPU cooler, I went with the Deep Cool Neptune V2. This is just a bare bones cooler. I mean, it's enough, I guess, for handling a mild overclock and basic your stock. Okay, your stock and maybe a mild overclock. I will definitely upgrade the cooler as well. Maybe I'll go with the Dark Rock Pro 4, or maybe an Octo HD 15 or yeah, we'll see that along the line. For the motherboard, I went with the MSI ATX Z370A Pro motherboard. For the SMPS, I went with the Cooler Master MWE 650 watt 80 plus bronze one, which I got for 6,700. For the hard disk, I went with a Western Digital 10 EZX 1 TB for 3,490. I know that SSDs are faster and all, but for the amount of storage that I require, I had to go with hard disk, a normal mechanical hard disk. I will definitely be buying an SSD later on, but for now I require a hard disk. Then for RAM also I had to cut down, so I went only with a single stick of 8 GB for 5,899. It's a DDR4 3000 megahertz though, Corsair Vengeance LPX, because I had to go for the low profile one because of the cooler. The cooler is quite bulky and like it definitely uses up a lot of space, so I had to go with the low profile one. As far as the monitor is concerned, I got a really good price for the monitor. I got for 10,600, which is the Acer KG241Q BMX. It's a 75 hertz panel. It has a 1 millisecond response time and stuff. So I will be making separate videos concentrating on each one of the parts individually. But yeah, so just a quick overview of like all the parts and just an introduction to the series and like me and stuff. So oh yes, I forgot about the Wi-Fi adapter. So the Wi-Fi adapter also I bought for the PC. So that I got for about only 600 rupees. TP-Link. So yeah, that was a pretty good pretty good price I got for that. I will definitely be making more videos and I will make the full PC build. I will be going over the parts also individually, and let's see where it kicks off from there. If you like the video, hit the like button, hit the red subscribe button. Also don't forget to hit the notification bell icon as well. Okay.